Now I'm going to vacuum. I'm going to vacuum that chair over there. Central vac we got here in the house. And we got this little utility closet here. Sometimes the central vac is a pain in the butt, but sometimes it's okay. Works pretty good. I'll show you what it looks like after. Alright, let's spray it with some, as you can see, it's all, just got to put the blanket in. The blanket's washing right now. Gotta put the two blankets on here, but looks pretty clean. Anyway, just gotta spray it with this Dollar Tree Great Scents Old Christmas Tree Pine Mist for Artificial Tree and Room. Stuff smells pretty good, actually. Well, I don't think they have any more of this at Dollar Tree, but I got this around Christmas time. There. Alright, the recliner's clean.